Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I am using the Wet n Wild Alice in Wonderland eyeshadow palette. I think it's called the Lost in Wonderland eyeshadow palette. But anyway, not only is Alice in Wonderland literally my favorite Disney movie, Wet n Wild is my favorite drugstore makeup brand, and I just love this collaboration. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I kind of wish they would have thrown in some darker neutrals, like a really dark brown or like a really dark something. But either way, this is a gorgeous palette, and as always, Wet n Wild delivers with the quality. It's impeccable. It's actually kind of crazy that their shadows are so good and so affordable. So anyway, this is my transition color. We are doing a cut crease today, as you saw in my intro. So I'm just putting that in the crease and winging it outwards, getting that cut crease look, that vibe. And then I'm taking this really pretty pink shade and doing pretty much the same thing. I'm not going as far up. This is more like in the crease and kind of in the outer V. And I am going to be posting a short. So by the time you see this video, I have already posted my short of my face makeup, and I'm using all of the Alice in Wonderland face products: blush, highlighter, bronzer, lip gloss, all of that good stuff. So make sure you watch that short. I am outside today. What? I am outside today, so forgive the noise. But here I'm taking the dark brown, and this is just going right in the crease. I'm using my small little blending brush very precisely, not going crazy with this color. And then now it's time for the cut crease action. So as always, I put concealer on the upper lash line, look up, it provides the guide, and then I just do the whole cut crease thing, as you guys can see here. I just quickly want to thank Wet n Wild for sending me this PR box. I think it's crazy that I get PR from Wet n Wild, because if you look back at my old videos, not that I want you to, because they're embarrassing, but if you look back, I have been supporting Wet n Wild since I started my channel like 12, 13 years ago, so I feel like I've come full circle. So thank you, Wet n Wild, I truly appreciate it. This is their liquid eyeshadow. This is the pink version. I'm sorry, it's so noisy. Guys, it's literally 11:15 at night and it's so noisy out here. This is their liquid eyeshadow, the pink one. They also have a gold champagne. I want that one too. I really like this, guys. I'm using this as a base for the eyeshadow that I'm going to put right on top, which is like a crazy duochrome shade. It looks white in the pan, but has like blue reflex. Crazy. Such a pretty eyeshadow, and I still can't believe that this is like a drugstore eyeshadow, guys. It's a little chunky, but if you press it in, you'll be totally, completely fine. So now it's time for eyeliner. This is just the Wet n Wild eyeliner. This is part of the Charlie Brown collection. They do have it in like their regular like line. I just have the Charlie Brown one. It is so good. It's so black, so easy to use. So I highly recommend this one. And then to really make my eyeliner look A1 100%, I do just sharpen up those edges. And then I am going to conceal my under eyes because they were looking a little purple, a little blue, and we don't want that. I'm using the GIVNECHY PRISME LIBRE loose powder today to set my under eyes. This guy left his motorcycle downstairs just running, and it's like so loud. So I'm sorry. Today is not the day, I guess, to do a voiceover, but you know me. So I went a little crazy for my lower lash line. I just wanted to add a little extra pop, and I was wearing this blue shirt, so I was like, why not? I took that blue shade, just lined my lower lash line, and look how pigmented this color is, guys. Not powdery, not chunky. Crazy. It looks beautiful, and I just blended it out a little bit so it wasn't so crazy. I took this shade, the lightest like white shade in the palette, and I just highlighted right underneath my eyebrow, so I had some little highlighter action there. I think these were a little too crazy for me, the Kiss Lashes and Empress, but either way, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys aren't scared of cut creases. Once you practice, you guys are gonna love doing them. So yeah, I love this palette, guys. I highly recommend. I love Wet n Wild. Thank you so much again for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!